Hello everyone, it's Eileen Webb here again from Open Door. I'm one of the English teachers. Today I want to share with you a comprehension worksheet which we've developed and which has been sent out to quite a few of you. I wanted to read this sheet out so that you could, as well as reading it yourself, you could hear the words being spoken. The idea of this worksheet is that you read through the text and then you answer the questions at the bottom. So I'll read through the text for you here. Weather in the UK. The weather affects everyone, and everyone has something to say about the weather. In the UK, the weather can be completely different from one day to the next, or even from the morning to the afternoon. UK weather is changeable. It can change from being rainy one day to sunny the next, or from strong winds in the morning to snow in the afternoon. In the UK, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter, and the weather is different in each of them. However, there is not a sudden change between the seasons. It takes several weeks for the weather to change enough for people to notice the difference. The summer is the season with the best weather. Usually it is hot and sunny with only a little rain sometimes. However, it can be cold and wet for 1 or 2 weeks at a time. British people like to spend a lot of time outside when it is nice in the summer. After the summer is the autumn. In this season, the weather gets colder and there are stronger winds. Also, it can rain more and leaves will start to fall off the trees and the first frosts can form on the ground. Winter is the coldest season in the UK. The temperature can fall to 0 degrees Celsius or below. This means that the ground can be icy, which makes it difficult to walk. There might also be snow, but the UK does not get a lot of snow, mainly just cold rain in the winter. Then, when winter ends, the spring starts. The temperature will start to get warmer. Plants start to grow again and new leaves form. People look forward to the start of spring to see the first flowers appearing after the winter, and because it means the nice weather of summer is nearly back again. Many people in the UK complain about the weather, but as the weather changes so much, it is very interesting and gives the people something to talk about all year round. I suggest that you read this text once, twice, maybe even 3 times until you fully understand it. And then you can answer these questions. The questions are multiple choice, so you have to choose one of the answers from the choices. Choice A, B, C, or D. Question 1. How can the weather in the UK be described? A, boring, B, wet, C, changeable, D, humid. Choose one of these answers. Question 2. How quickly can the weather change? A, from one week to the next, B, from one morning to afternoon, C, from one day to the next, D, the weather does not change much. Question 3. How many seasons are there in the UK? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 5. Question 4. When will frost first start to form on the ground? A, in the spring, B, in the summer, C, in the autumn, D, in the winter. Question 5. Why do people like the spring? A, means the summer is nearly back. B, it is not winter. C, it is the shortest season. Or D, it only happens every other year. And the last question, what is your favourite season and why? For this question, we'd like you to write a couple of sentences. Right, thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this worksheet and I hope to see you all very soon back at Open Door. Thank you very much.